Hello, Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome to my YouTube channel BSA Medics. I hope you all are doing great. Welcome to another video. If you have not subscribed my channel yet, do subscribe it and press the bell icon so that you can get notified whenever I post a new video. In this video, we will talk about IELTS listening test. Listening test is designed to assess your ability to listen to, understand, and respond to a range of spoken English from various accents and contexts. In this video, we will go through the listening test format, and along with that, I will provide you some tips and tricks, some easy strategies, study material, and website links from which you can prepare for your listening test effectively to achieve your target band score. Let's take a start from the test format and some basics. Listening test consists on 4 sections, and in each section candidate listens a range of recordings including conversations and monologues and answer question according to the audio. The recordings cover a range of topics including academic and social context. You have 40 questions to answer in total, and as I already told you that there are 4 sections and each section consists on 10 questions. All questions are equally important and you get 1 mark for each correct answer, which make 40 marks in total, and there is no negative marking. Let's talk about the duration of the test. Listening test lasts for 40 minutes, and these 40 minutes are divided in the way that 30 minutes are given to write your answers on the question sheet while listening the audio, whereas further 10 minutes are provided to transfer your answers on your answer sheet. Let's move towards the type of conversations provided in the section. Section 1 consists on conversations in an everyday social situation. For example, conversation between two colleagues in office. Section 2 involve one person speaking in an everyday social situation. Section 3 involves a conversation between two or more people in an educational or training context, for example, seminar or tutorial. And the fourth section consists on a lecture or a talk on a topic of general academic interest. Let's move towards the type of questions and tasks provided in the listening test. It includes forms, multiple choice questions, flowchart completion, sentence completion, table completion, and labeling a diagram, plan, or map. These question types might appear in any of the 4 sections. Now let's move towards the tips and tricks for getting the band you require. First of all, you should have knowledge about the question types and the test format, so you have to get yourself familiar with the test format and question types. Here are some of the formats which include all task types provided in the listening test. Take a screenshot and read them carefully to have an understanding. While attempting the test, read the instruction on each task carefully. Check the minimum number of words allowed. When speaker provides 30 seconds to read the task, use this time to study questions. For every section, word and number limit is written, so do follow them correctly. Make sure you understand what you have to do. Think about the situation and context and try to guess what vocabulary you might hear. Highlight or underline keywords you are allowed to mark the question paper. As far as possible, predict answers. In particular, try and identify what type of words are you listening for. For example, a name, number, place, or parts of speech including noun, adjectives, and verbs. And make sure to manage your time accordingly. Practice makes a man perfect, and key to get the maximum band is practice, practice, and practice. So, from now, start listening to different accents by watching English movies, English seasons, news channels, and listen to different podcasts. While listening to the audio, listen to the signposting language such as additionally, secondly, and most importantly. Be aware of synonyms. For example, if one of the multiple choice answer is on foot, the answer could be John walks to work. Answer is often pronounced clearly, stressed, or repeated. If a speaker whispers the word, it is probably not the answer. There are sometimes distractions on the listening test, so do not automatically write the first thing you hear. While attempting a map, a diagram, or a flowchart, first of all locate the starting point of the map. Do not exceed the word and number limit. I am attaching some of the links of the apps and websites from which you can prepare for your listening test. Do check the description box below. I hope you found this video useful. Like the video, subscribe my YouTube channel, and also comment below on which topic you want further videos. Share it with your friends and families, and remember me in your prayers. Allah Hafiz and goodbye.